Here is a 4+ bedroom, 2-bathroom home with just over 2,600 square feet, sits on just over 2 acres with an attached garage and an oversized detached garage. Welcome to our brand new listing at 119 Tyler Avenue Northeast. Let's take a tour. What a great property, right? And the best part is, it can be yours. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private showing, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here on Team Montgomery. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.